It's never been done before, at least not since 1974, that we would create a new state program without an explanation. So I raise that to you because there will be legal challenges. The Crawford decision found the Indiana's voter ID law constitutional on its face, but there's never been an applied challenge that's gone to court, and that is when there are actual people involved. Currently, there is an as-applied challenge in federal court in Wisconsin. The named person in that lawsuit would be the Secretary of State here in Minnesota, and it's far from settled law. The South Carolina, the Justice Department found that it had voter ID had racial disparities, and it blocked it. That's in litigation. There is a court case in state court in Missouri. Mississippi is facing federal litigation on this, and there are 2 state law cases in Wisconsin. So this is not a matter which is settled law. There will be lawsuits. The state of Minnesota can expect a court challenge. A very simple, straightforward court challenge costs about $100,000. This will not be simple or straightforward. I said the part about the enabling legislation. And the other thing that the state should consider is that because a lot of these terms that are in this constitutional amendment, such as government issued and substantially equivalent, are come with no explanation, this is going to create a cottage industry of voting lawsuits. Every time, no matter what the enabling legislation is, every time someone is turned away from voting because they don't have an ID, they're going to challenge things like, what does government issued mean? What does substantially equivalent mean? Because this is in our Constitution. So you can say, well, it's going to be as prescribed by law, but then you'll say, does it match? And it will create a cottage industry of lawsuits, sort of ongoing every time someone's turned away. Because it creates a new unfunded mandate.
Ms. Jackson,
I'm almost done.
I think we get that part.
I have two sentences left. May I say them, please? It creates a new unfunded mandate and subjects the state to substantial legal costs. We urge the committee to vote no.